Alright guys, the SM right here from youtube.com/eternalizing. This is tutorial number 2, and I'm just going to show you how to run a basic and simple program in C++. In the previous tutorial I showed you where to get Dev C++, which is a very free and basic simple compiler. Alright, so when you open up your Dev C++, this is where you get. So first of all, you're gonna go to File, New, Source File. Then you're gonna have to save it. File, Save As, and then name it whatever you want to name it. .cpp. Alright, or just make sure the save as type is C++ source files, and then as you see here the .cpp extension, and then hit save. Alright, okay, now let's type some code. Alright, so the first thing you need is the type in the #, include, hang on, IOStream. And what this does is basically it processes the source file before it compiles, and then after that we're gonna need the function's header. So int for integer, and then the name is main, and then open brackets and close brackets, and then after that we're gonna start with the body. So the body, just open up a curly bracket and close it, and in the middle, that's our body. Alright, and the first thing we type is we type in using namespace std, and then end it with a semicolon. And what that is, it basically tells C++ to use all of the basic or standard stuff. Alright, so now we're gonna begin by typing the statement. So to do that, you're gonna print out, so basically C out, and then type in 2 of those less than signs, and then in quotations type in whatever you want to type, so hello YouTube, and then end quotations, and then also always end your statement with a semicolon. Alright, now to end that line, just type in cout, and then end L, and semicolon, end L for end line. Okay, so if we type in another statement, for example, cout, this is a new line, and then end it. Alright, so now we need the system pause, and what that does, it will when you compile your program, without the system pause, it's basically gonna flash like real fast. It's gonna close the program. So after you add the system pause, it will just stop there for you to do the next step. So the line for that is system, open brackets, and in between quotations type in pause, and also enter the semicolon. Then at the end, we're gonna need to end the main function, so basically just type in return 0 and a semicolon. Alright, so to run this, you're gonna go to execute, compile and run. Let's get check for any errors, and as you see here, that's our first line, hello YouTube, and this is a new line. That's where we added the new line. And then just press any key to exit this program, or just click the X right here. Alright guys, so that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and also stay tuned for my next C++ tutorial.